Good evening, everyone. Okay, I'm showing all these videos of me working on my basement, working on little projects to make my basement into a game room that's kind of a spaceship-oriented sci-fi kind of thing. And one of the things about remodeling is that you have to tear some old things down to make way for the new stuff. One of the things that I had to tear down was my electronics workbench. I had that thing up for years, but it was in the way of where the console games are going to go, and I had to take it down. So I haven't had it for a couple years now. Actually, I took it down about 3 years ago or so. And I've been trying to work on some electronics projects here and there, but I have to get out my equipment, work on something, and then put everything back, and it's always not in just a real easy place to get. So I've been trying to find some place in the basement where I can at least have some semblance of an electronics bench again, and I think I found my answer. I may actually in the future modify this a little bit more, especially after more of the basement is remodeled. Then hopefully I won't need all this storage area. But this used to be my old coal cellar, well, my mom and dad's coal cellar, and I put shelves in here and made it storage. As you can see, I got a whole bunch of gaming stuff behind me here, and then I got other stuff to the side, basically all just storage and everything. But what I wanted to show you was my sort of semi-permanent workbench, and I just got this set up, so this isn't like the finished thing, but I have my power supply, I have a digital multimeter here, I have another power supply, but I'm not going to use this one here. Wait, this one here. Yeah, this is my multimeter, this is my power supply. Multimeter, let's turn that on. Okay, the good thing is it's still working. And my other power supply that I'm just using as a stand for these right now, I'm not going to be using that. And then I got just a little bit of space here. And then I got my desoldering iron, my soldering iron, my smoke remover, and that's pretty much it. And as you can see, hopefully, yeah, I'm just starting to take apart this PS3, this original PlayStation here. I got it. I was kind of afraid that the lens won't read the disc, the laser wouldn't read the disc, but that's working fine. The thing is that neither one of the control ports or controller ports work. So I'll be doing this in another video, working on this and see if I can get it working. But I at least have something here now that I can have as a space to actually do projects. And we'll see if I can maybe get some more, at least smaller electronics projects done. Alright, thank you for watching this short video.